Alright, so please excuse the mess. Anyway, these are the Red Tunes headphones that I ordered on April 28th. They actually shipped on September 20th and they arrived to me on the 24th. Nothing out of the ordinary, so we'll go ahead and open them up. And while I'm doing that, I just, want to say my expectations are not that great for these headphones. I mean, I was in a store the other day and I saw some Polaroid headphones for like 15 bucks and I was thinking, yeah, the tunes will probably match that quality, so I'll have to do a second video on that. But anyway, here's the boxes they come in. I mean, it's decent enough. You got the tunes headphones on each side, the logo on the front, shows the Bluetooth wireless here. So that's cool, and I'll go ahead and open them up. So this is the box. Got a little silvery logo here, so just pop the top open. Sorry I'm not doing this from a better vantage point, but as you can see, doing some redecorating, so this is the space that I have, but they come with this analog cable that plugs into the headphones, I guess in case the batteries die or something like that. You can use them like normal headphones. And then you have your charging cable, which appears to be micro USB, which is pretty standard. And here are the headphones. So, they come decently wrapped. And here they are. So, they were $26, $25, something like that. I'll put that in the description. Just for the shipping, so you can't cancel it after you order them. But they look decent enough. I mean, this part feels metallic here. You have tunes on the top here. This padding seems, pretty good here. And they seem decent quality. I mean, this is kind of padded here, and they're rubberized all around. One thing that I really liked was the color on these, because I think red looks a little bit more premium than, just your standard cheap black ones, although there are expensive and premium black headphones. But the red kind of stands out. It's kind of like a Beats thing. But you have your controls here, which everything seems pretty tactile. None of the buttons, stay stuck when I press them. There's the port for the analog, the 3.5mm jack in case the battery dies. There's the USB charger there. But I will go ahead and do a follow-up. Alright, so I figured I'd go ahead and get this video done and over with before the sun goes down. Basically, I just charged the headphones for about 30 or 45 minutes just to test them out. I did test them out from about a 20-25 foot range. I had no issues, and they seem to be of pretty good quality. There aren't any kind of malfunctions with the buttons that I've noticed or issues with the cushioning. It seems like it'll last a while. The adjusting mechanism is pretty good, pretty solid. So overall they're pretty good. Do I think I wasted my money spending $26 or however much I spent for them? Like I said, I'll put that in the screen. But no, I don't think I did. If the promotion came up again, would I do it again? No. These headphones are not the worst that I've heard. They're not the best. I would say, they're somewhere in the low mid range. I was just curious as to how good these will be. Again, if the promotion came around, I'm not going to do it again because I just don't want to wait 5 months for something. 5 days or 5 minutes while I go buy it in the store is one thing, but not 5 months. That's definitely not worth it to me. So if you saw a product like this in the store, again, I would get it if it's under 50 bucks probably. Won't have an issue. The only thing is I don't know how long the battery will last on these. I didn't give them a full charge. When you do plug them in, as I showed you, the light comes. Alright, so here they are charging on top of a random box that I have. When you power them on, they actually say powered on. There is a blue indicator light, and then if the battery does die, you can plug them into the 3.5mm headphone jack. With that being said, I will say that they are kind of tight on my head when I use them, so I don't have a big head. I don't know if that's an initial fit and they may stretch out or relax a bit. That has yet to be seen. And then also these buttons, when you're taking them off your head like this, if you press the button, if you press too hard, you can accidentally depress the button, stop your music, change the song when you didn't intend to do that. So Not the best placement for these, but again, they're worth what I paid, you know, which is under $30. Yeah, the only thing I will say is if you are someone who believes you were going to get a $200, $220, $250 pair of headphones for under 30, then you are very gullible and very naive and probably shouldn't be on the internet. So don't believe that, but definitely not regretting this. I like the red color, you know, not too bad. The logo, you know, it doesn't look too cheesy or anything like that. So overall, I give them a plus. Like I said, wouldn't buy them again, wouldn't do the promotion again if some other rapper canceled their contract and now you're getting free headphones as a promotion. Don't do it. Just go to the store, spend $50 or spend $100 and get a quality pair, and keep it moving. So anyway, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.